Edo Election. 35,000 police personnel deployed ahead of upcoming governorship poll. The streets of Benin City are bustling with activities as Edo State prepares for Saturday's governorship election. The first wave of 35,000 police officers, a significant number, has arrived, instilling a sense of reassurance in the populace. Joint patrols involving the police, military, and other security agencies are underway across the state. The Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission have also deployed personnel to ensure a smooth electoral process. While 17 political parties have fielded candidates, 3 front-runners have emerged. Senator Monday Okpebelo of the All Progressive Congress, Asue Godalo representing the People's Democratic Party, and Labour Party's Olumide Akpata. The defense headquarters has stated that the military's presence aims to create a safe environment for voters. Major General Edward Buba, Director of Defense Media Operations, has emphatically reiterated their commitment to a violence-free election, instilling a sense of security in the public. However, the deployment of soldiers has raised some eyebrows, given a 2015 Federal High Court ruling that questioned the military's role in elections. Security expert Taufik Onigbanjo believes the military presence could deter potential troublemakers, but cautions against over-militarization that might intimidate voters. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.